Good noon to all. Today discuss about the industrial stoichiometry in also be third semester subject material and energy balance consumptions. Unit number 3 material balance without chemical reactions and diploma third semester subject unit number 4 material balance in a process without chemical reactions. Most important chapter છે. I think 14 marks નો આમાંથી કવર અપ થઈ જાય છે. ઓકે તો બેઝિક્સ આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ દેન આફ્ટર ધ ક્લાસિફિકેશન ઓફ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ જોઈશું. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધ બેઝિક ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન ફોર અ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ એન્ડ એનર્જી બેલેન્સ. Okay, the first of all discussion part, a chemical process plant required to carry out transformation of a raw material into desired product effectively. કે કયા કયા વસ્તુને ઇફેક્ટ કરશે તે જોવાનું છે. In case of process plant we have to any attentions to effective utilizations of material and energy and corrosiveness. Okay, to reduce cost and avoid wastage for assessing effectiveness of utilizations of raw material and energy we require some yardsticks or minimum requirement. This one is a minimum requirement and to provide us the basis of judging in the effectiveness for a performances basis. Okay, જે આપણે law of conservation of mass માં જોવાના છે. Then any requirement provides any performances of this process or process plant as a whole, and the material balance and energy balance calculation provide us the basis against which the actual performance of processing unit can be assessed to provide the basis with which the actual performance of the processing is compared. Okay, then material balance calculations જે જોઈશું આપણે હાઉ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનું છે. To evaluate specification of consumptions of material and energy. For example જોઈશું આપણે this one. આ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે તે જોઈશું. Benzene requirement per ton of nitrobenzene productions and steam consumptions of for concentrating a weak solution from 4% to 25% and sodium hydroxide per ton of the weak solutions. Okay, per ton of the weak solutions and the kilowatt hour of electric energy consumption per ton and caustic soda lye the productions in also. Okay, to evaluate losses of material energy balance then find out the reasons of manufacturing of this processing unit. Then also evaluations of this process specific consumptions of material and energy in terms of the help us to determine the capacities of storage facilities, the various utility generating units, the finally material and energy balance for any relationship. Okay, there are the starting the point of all design calculations. A starting point, it can the design of various process equipment. A material balance is simply an accounting for material. A material balance is an accounting for of all the material that enters, leaves, accumulates, disappears, reflects process any process unit a given time. એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે જોવાનું રહેશે. Okay, that could be a most important theory. Law of conservation of mass. ઓકે, 3 માર્કમાં પૂછાશે. મિડસેમમાં બી પૂછીશું અને જીટીઓમાં બી મોસ્ટ પ્રાયોરિટી છે કે પૂછી શકાય એની. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. All material balance calculation are based on the law of conservation of mass. Okay, law of conservation of mass which state and the matter can neither be created or destroyed. Okay, the law of conservation of mass, the all material balance, okay, all material balance calculation are based on law of conservation of mass which state that the matter can be neither be created or not destroyed during a process. This is the statement. The law of conservation of mass can be stated as the this one. The first one, first point, this one. Total mass of all substance ओके जे कोई भी टोटल मास है ना सब्सटेंस ना टेकिंग अ पार्ट इन अ प्रोसेस रिमेन कॉन्स्टंट. ओके कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ मास है. सेकंड पॉइंट જોઈએ આપણે within a given isolated system, within a given isolated system the mass of the system remain constant in spite despite of the change taking the place within the system. Okay, within a given isolated system the mass of the system remain constant of mass hai, and in spite the change taking place within the system. Then also third one, the total mass of various component. Okay, total mass of various component remain constant during a unit operations or a chemical reactions. Okay, this is the material balance in this process without chemical reactions. Okay, જેમાં જોઈશું આપણે ડ્રાઇંગ, ડિસ્ટિલેશન, એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન, મિક્સિંગ, ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન અને ઇવોપરેશન્સ એના આપણે બેઝિક કેમિકલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન જોઈશું. then single stage material balance also, this part of the calculation of leaching and extraction, and a brief idea for regarding recycling and bypassing operations. Okay, in this chapter. And this basis of the material balance of any processes is the law of conservation of mass. We know that the chemical reactions involve the conservation of one species. Okay, law of conservation of mass in the one species to provide that the account for the masses of species disappearing and the species approaching generating, the law of conservation of mass will hold. According to the law of conservation of mass we have for any processes. Okay, we have any processes for this reaction, this equations. Input is equal to output plus accumulations. Okay, input is equal to output plus accumulation. This is the according to the law of conservation of mass. Okay, input minus output. Okay, એના બેસિસ પરથી આવશે is equal to accumulation. Okay, then for steady state operations process and the accumulations term of the equations is first one is 0, thus is reduced input is equal to output. આ વસ્તુ બનશે. Okay, input is equal to output, and that continues this process since under the steady state conditions any valve variable within the system do not changes. Time for accumulations the material does not change with time, it remains the constant, and the accumulations term of the equations is 0. Which one term is accumulation is 0, and the under steady state conditions according to the law of conservation of mass of input a system must be equal to the output of this system, this one. then accumulations part જોઈએ આપણે એનો, this one. If refers to a change of mass of mole within the system with respect to the time, equations 2. Okay, return the total amount overall material balance, this one. Equation 2 return the any component balance માટે જોવાનું. Second point, when total mass and material balance is referred, equation 2 is valid for the system involve no chemical reactions as well as those involving chemical reactions, this one. No chemical reactions as well as those involving chemical reactions. When we make a total material balance over the entire process we refer to it as a material balance. For any one component it is referred as an overall component balance. Okay, when the process involve a series of steps is, and the total material balance across any one is referred to as an overall material balance in these steps. Okay, for a steady state condition માટે જોઈએ this process involve the chemical reaction, steady state process, any conditions reactant are disappearing and appearing for a generating part. So which one is the equations, this one. Input is equal to output valid for total mass. Okay, આગળ વધીએ. for any reacting component for a component across the chemical reactor steady state condition માટે this one, which one, the input the reactor, a in output for the reactor plus a reacted disappeared by the reactions valid on one or more basis. Okay, in the general material balance equations across any reactor, any reactant. Okay, reactant for any reactant, input a is equal to outputs plus a, this one main, this one. Okay, a is equal to output plus of a, accumulations of a disappearing and the a by reactions. In case the chemical reactions, it is convenient to express the amount of 1 mole. We have the mole, kilomole a input or reactor is equal to kilomole a output from the reactor plus kilomole of a reacted. Okay, this is a again note આપી છે આપણને, this is a remain constant માટે. A in output from the reactor is equal to a remain unreacted, a feed is equal to a reacted plus a unreacted, this one. Okay, this one જોઈએ. For any product R that is formed and for number of R is fed to the reactor, so R is regenerated, this one, and R is equal to output from the reactor. Okay, then for system with chemical reactions, જે સિસ્ટમ સાથે છે કેમિકલ રિએક્શન માટે એ જોઈએ. આખો હોલ ટર્મ જોઈ લે આખું, this term, input is equal to outputs plus consumption यानी कि disappearance plus accumulations. And the for steady state operation which chemical reactions, input is equal to outputs plus consumptions for reactant A માટે, any reactant. And the for physical operations, input is equal to outputs plus accumulations, and input is equal to output under steady state conditions માટે જોઈએ. In the treatment of follow, which will first ideal with a steady state problem and problem with the valve and various problem to change the respect to time. Okay, this is the simple discussion part for conservation of flow. Then classification જોઈએ. Classification of material balance problem માટે, material balance of processes are classified into two categories as follows. The first one, material balance of processes involving the no chemical reactions of processes that do not involve the chemical reactions. And the second one, material balance problem of processing involving the chemical reactions of any processes that involve the chemical reactions. Each of these are further classified as into the steady state operation and also unsteady state operations. Okay, two classified, the steady state condition and unsteady state conditions. Okay, તેનું ડિસ્કસ કરીએ આપણે. The first one, steady state operation, and the highlight point, this one. Under steady state we have the valve of various associated with the operations. Any process do not change with the time. Under steady state conditions, the valve and of variables stay such as temperature, composition, flow rate, etc. do not change with time. They are time invariant at any particular locations within the system, but they cannot vary with the locations no another. જે સ્ટડી સ્ટેટ કન્ડિશન્સ છે એ ધ નો ચેન્જ વિથ ટાઈમ, જે ટાઈમ સાથે વેરી નથી કરતો. અને અનસ્ટડી સ્ટેટમાં ઓપરેશનમાં શું થશે? અંડર અનસ્ટડી સ્ટેટ કન્ડિશન ધ વાલ્વ વેલ્યુઝ ઓફ વેરિયેબલ એસોસિએટેડ વિથ ધ પ્રોસેસ એની ઓપરેશન વિથ ટાઈમ, ટાઈમ સાથે વેરી કરશે. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ અનસ્ટડી સ્ટેટ ઓપરેશન, ધીસ વન. બેચ એન્ડ સેમી બેચ પ્રોસેસ આર અનસ્ટડી સ્ટેટ એન્ડ ટ્રાન્ઝિયન્ટ, whereas the continuous process may be unsteady state of steady state conditions. Okay, in this chapter for do not involve the chemical reactions, and this brief description part for a simple material balance એની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ફોર ડ્રાઇંગ, ડિસ્ટિલેશન, એબ્સોર્પ્શન, મિક્સિંગ, ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન, evaporations. Then also single stage material balance is also okay. Leaching part છે, extraction part છે એ જોઈશું. then describe the recycling and bypassing operations. okay, this is a part for a material balance in process without chemical reactions. okay, so thank you so much. next lecture માં આપણે ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું.